evolution of communication. So this is the timeline of every generation from 1946 all the way to 2024. So for 1946 all the way to 1964, we have the baby boomers. They communicate in proper, respectful, and face-to-face talking. They prefer to speak out loud rather than send quick messages, text messages. They value deep personal connection. From 1965 all the way to 1980, we have Generation X. Generation X communicate in a simple, direct way. They work well alone. They do not waste time. They remember life before smartphones. They use modern apps easily. They comfortably use old and new tools. And from 1981 all the way to 1996, we have Generation Y. Generation Y communicates in a collaborative, digital, and